Good day. In this video, we're going to go over how to hand in your project. The first thing you're going to do is go back to self-service. So to get to self-service, just go to your magnifying glass in the upper right-hand side, self-service. Okay. Then you'll go ahead to the computer science category, and then you'll make sure that you have Unity-WebGL installed. If it says reinstall, you're good to go. Okay, so at that point, make sure that Unity is not running while you have this up. Okay, so after you have finished altering the stripped down scene that I had sort of provided you in Schoology, you're going to need to do an update to the so some of the packages in this project. So let's go ahead to Window and then Package Manager. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be updating the Publish to WebGL extension to a specific version. Okay, so where it says make sure it says Packages in Project, and then where it says WebGL Publisher, you're going to want to click on this, like see the triangle button to expand to it. Then you're going to select See Other Versions. The version we want is 2.1.0. All right, so again, you just got to expand it, see other versions, and then 2.1.0. Click on Update to 2.10, and then I will just pause this while this sort of goes through the process, okay? So BRB. Okay, so it's just going to say Web Publisher 2.0. Make sure you do not update it to 4.1.1 or whatever. That's the latest version, and it doesn't seem to work with what we're trying to do. Okay, so we can now close Package Manager, and we are now going to switch our file, like kind of our project, from being primarily for a like a PC, and set it so that it's able to be published through the web. So to do that, we're going to go ahead to File and then Build Settings. It's going to bring us up to this screen right here. Okay, so our Build Settings. Now, what we need to do is we need to make sure that we are adding open scenes. So the scene we have here, where it's this is the scene we want, stripped down scene. So we're going to click on Add Open Scenes. Okay, we're going to unclick that one where it says Sample Scene, because we only want the stripped down scene that's actually sort of active. All right, we're going to then select WebGL, and we're going to click on Switch Platform. This is going to take a long time, so I'm going to pause it again. Is it starting? Yep. Okay, so I'm going to pause it, and I'll be back when it is done. Good stuff. Okay, so we've switched our platform to WebGL, and now what we can do is we can actually close this Build Settings, and we're going to go ahead to a menu that is up at the top. It's called Publish. Okay, so we're going to go to Publish WebGL Project. This is going to bring us up to something where it's like, hey, where do you want to build your project? And then we're going to publish it. So let's click on Build and Publish, and go with the default options for like where it wants to save it. So we'll just say WebGL Build. Choose. And then, again, on pause it. It's going to take a while for this to process. Okay. Okay, so that took a while, but once the whole process is completed, you'll see there where it says Upload Complete, and it's going to open up this browser window. Now, the link I'll want you to share with me in the forum, click on Save, and then this should be the link, but then there's also, let's look at this button here, not now. There we are. This is the button we'll want. There's that share link, and then just get me this link right there. And that's actually, yeah, it's the same link. But yeah, this is the link I'll want in the forum where you'll share the project, okay? So remember the sort of steps for this. Grab the WebGL plugin from self-service. Update the extension in Package Manager. Switch the build to WebGL. Make sure you have the correct scene selected, and then publish it, okay? All right, folks, I wish you the best of luck. Great stuff.